Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to install the custom magazine wheel in your impact magazine. So all you're going to need is a 2.5mm hex key. So just turn the center screw counterclockwise to loosen it up. Be sure to hold the wheel in place using your other hand because it is spring loaded and you do not want to lose those two balls. So carefully pull the center parts out, and you notice there are two steel balls, so you want to take them out. And you notice there are two springs also. You usually don't need to take them out if you're careful enough. And you'll notice that there's a knot that just fell from the bottom, which is from here. So carefully raise the factory wheel out. It's spring loaded. Just release the pressure like this. So you notice there's a mainspring. Just pull it out like this, and take your new magazine wheel and just do the reverse. Usually it doesn't matter which hole you put it into, as long as you preload the spring maybe 1 or 1 turn and a half. So I just pick this hole and let's preload the spring in a counterclockwise direction. 1, 2. I like to preload 2 turns. There you go. And just keep doing the reverse, putting the steel balls back in. Remember the hex knot that fell out, it's from the bottom. Push it in and putting your assembly back in and tighten it up. Not too tight, just hand tight, that's okay. Make sure it turns freely. There you go. And you're done. Thanks for watching.